Sensors for robotics. Various types of sensors used in robotics. Out of that, few sensors discussed in this video. Light sensor. The light sensor is a passive device that converts this light energy, whether visible or in the infrared parts of the spectrum, into electrical signal output. Light sensors are more commonly known as photoelectric devices or photosensors because they convert light energy, that is photon, into electricity. It detects light and creates difference in voltage. A robot vision system has a computer controlled camera that allows a robot to see and adjust its movements accordingly. Two types of primary light sensors are available, that is photoresistor and photovoltaic cell. Photoresistor is the combination of words photon, meaning light particles, and resistor. True to its name, photoresistor is a device, or we can say a resistor dependent on the light intensity. For this reason, they are also known as light dependent resistors. It's a type of resistor hold resistance whose resistance varies with light intensity changes. More light leads to less resistance, less light leads to more resistance. They can be easily implemented in robots. Photovoltaic cell. It converts solar radiation into electricity. It's especially helpful for planning a solar robot. A smart implementation combined with transistor and capacitors can convert into a sensor. Figure shows photovoltaic cell. And chemical sensor. A chemical sensor is a device that measures and detects chemical quantities in an analyte, that is a scientific term for chemical substance being observed, and converts the sensed chemical data into electronic data. Chemical sensors are used in myriad applications such as medical, automotive, nanotechnology, and home detection system. There are many different types of chemical sensor which are especially designed for their intended functions, but they all share two components. One is receptor and another one is transducer. The receptor is a component of chemical sensor that comes into physical contact with the analyte. Depending on the sensor, the receptor interacts with the analyte in distinct ways. For instance, some receptors trigger chemical reactions with the analyte as a whole, while others can single out specific molecules. The latter, sensors that targets molecules in an analyte, are referred to as more selective. The second component held in common with all chemical sensors is transducer. Transducers are responsible for intaking the chemical information of the interaction between receptor and analyte and converting it into corresponding electrical information. This information is then sent to a computer or a mechanical component. The transducer may increase or decrease resistance, trigger an audible alarm, or present the data on the screen. The figure shows chemical sensor, analyte molecules which interacts with the sensor. You have sensitive layer and then transducer. Transducer gives output to driving circuits, and then transducer output is given to data recording and processing. Biosensors. Biosensors can be defined as a analytical device which include combination of biological detection elements like a sensor system and transducer. When we compare with any other presently existing diagnostic device, these sensors are advanced in the conditions of selectivity as well as sensitivity. The application of these biosensors mainly include checking ecological pollution control in agriculture field as well as food industry. The main feature of biosensors are stability, cost, sensitivity and reproducibility. The figure shows the biosensors, analyte and sensory layer interacts, and then it its response goes to transducer converts that signal into electrical signal. Usually a specific enzyme or preferred biological material is deactivated by some of the usual methods, and the deactivated biological material is in near contact with to the transducer. The analyte connects to the biological object to the shape a clear analyte, which in turn gives the electronic reaction that can be calculated. In some examples, the analyte is changed to a device which may be connected to the discharge of gas, heat, electron ions or hydrogen ions. In this, the transducer can alter the device linked converts into electrical signal which can be changed and calculated. Thank you.